Shop. Today's video or demonstration is based on a letter that we received from one of our members. The letter states, "Doug, you posted a video in which the camera was mounted on the tailstock and it seemed to cause a lot of vibration during your demo. Maybe you should consider attaching your camera to the headstock. Signed, Bruce from Kalamazoo." Well, Bruce from Kalamazoo, I thought about this. My best idea is that I'm going to take this and I'm going to drill a hole through the middle of it so I can put my drive spur in there. I'm at my drill press. I got my phone clamped in, safe and secure. Got my safety glasses, so let's see how this is going to work. There, that ought to do it. Got my phone all set up now on my safety spur. So I think next we need to give it a shot. So what I'm going to do is, let's get this chucked up. Let's load up, I got a piece of stock wood here, this square. Okay, it appears to be on. We'll give that a spin and let's see what we got here. So now I have my camera here. I've got my close-up camera so I can mix between the two to get the best shot of each. So let's square this down and then we'll cut to that camera and see how that looks. Alright, cut to camera, cut to the close-up, Doug. Okay, Doug. Looking at it, I don't think that worked as well as my previous system did, Bruce from Kalamazoo. But we do appreciate the constructive criticism. So keep those letters... Aha. Unknown caller. And probably my vehicle warranty's expired. Anyways, keep those letters coming and keep on making shavings. This is Doug from the shop, signing out.